Welcome to Ayurveda Smart e-classes. Charaka Samhita Kalpasthana. For any doubt, you can just go through the blog. Chapter 1 Madana Kalpa Adhyaya. Pharmaceutical preparation of Madana Phalpa. Adado Madana Kalpam Vyakhyasyamaha. Now I shall expound the chapter on pharmaceutical preparation of Madana Phala. Idiha Smaha Bhagavan Atreyaha. Thus said Lord Atreya. Objective of Kalpasthana. Adha Ghalu Vamana Virejanartham Vamana Virejana Dravyanam Sugha Ubabhogatamaihi Sahanaihi Dravyaihi Vividaihi Kalpanartham Bhedhartham Vibhakartham Chetyarthaha Tad Yoganam Chakriya Videha Sugobhayasya Samyak Upakalpanartham Kalpasthanam Upadekshamo Agnivesha. Now I shall expound the section of pharmaceuticals that deals with the preparation of emetic and purgative drugs, Vamana and Virejana Dravya, describing combination and administration of these formulations and simple methods for the purpose of emesis and purgation, O Agnivesha. Vamana therapeutic emesis and Virejana therapeutic purgation. Tatra doshaharanam urdhvabhagam vamana sapnyakam. Of all drugs, those that eliminate impurity from the upper part are known as emetics. Adhobhagam virejana sapnyakam, while those that act via the lower part are called purgatives. Virejanam. Ubhayam va shariramaala virechana dvirejana sapnyam labhate. Or broadly, both are collectively termed as evacuative or purgative because of their purging out excrement from the body. Pharmacodynamics of Vamana. Tatra Ushna, Tikshna, Sukshma, Vyavayi, Vikashi, Anya Aushadhani. Ushna, Tikshna, Sukshma, Vyavayi and Vikashi drugs. Swaviryena Hridayam Upetya Damane Anusritya Stula Anusrodhobhyaha Kevalam. Because of their vigorous ability in reaching the heart, Hridaya, and circulating through the vessel, Damane Anusritya affect the mass of impurity within the entire body. Shariraghatam dosha sankadam Agneyatvat Vishyandayanti, liquefying them and making them pass through large and small ducts, and Taikshnyat Vichandayati, detach them due to their sharpness. स विच्छिन्नः परिप्लवन् स्नेहभाविते काये स्नेहाक्तभाजनस्थम् इव क्षौत्रम् असज्जन्न अणुप्रवण भावाद् आमाशय आगम्य उदान प्रणुन्नो अग्निवायात्मकत्वात् ऊर्ध्वभागप्रभावात् औषधस्य ऊर्ध्वम् उत्क्षिप्यते. Consequently, the detached masses left floating get ejected by Udhana Vayu and they get thrown upward because of the natural composition of the drug with Agni and Vayu and the specific potency for emesis. Salila Prithvi Atmagatvat Adhobhaga Prabhava cha Aushadha Syad Adaha Pravartate. When the natural composition of the drug predominate in Jala and Prithvi and there is specific potency for purgation, it goes down. Ubhayadascha Ubhaya Gunatvat. When both the above characters are combined, it moves both ways. Idi Lakshana Uddeshaha. Thus the definition is said in brief. So Vamana and Virechana. Vamana, that eliminate impurity from the upper part, Dosha Harana Murtva Bhagam. Agni Vayu predominant. Drivya. In Virechana, that act via the lower part or Adhobhagam. Prithvi Jala predominant. List of drugs for Vamana and Virechana. Tatra Phala, Jimodaga, Ikshvaku, Dhamargava, Kudaja Kritavedana. Here I will describe 600 evacuated formulation involving Madanaphala, Jeemuda, Ikshvaku, Dhamargava, Kudajan, Kritavedana. All these are Vamanadravya or amatics. Shyamatravat, Chadurangula Tilvaga, Mahavriksha Saptala Shankini, Dendi Drevandinam Cha. So these are Virechana Dravya. So, Vamana Virechana drugs in brief: Vamana Dravya, Madanaphala, Jeemuda, Ikshvaku, Dhamargava, Kudaja and Kritavedana. For Virechana, Shyamatravarta, Chadurangula, Tilvaga, Mahavriksha, Saptala Shankini and Dendi Drevanti. Nanavidha Desha Kala Sambhava. There are innumerable combinations of drug due to variation in habitat, Desha, place, Kala, Sambhava, time. Swad, Rasa, Virya, Vibhaga, Prabhava, Grahanat. Taste, Swad, Rasa, Virya, Vibhaga and Prabhava of drug. Deha dosha prakriti, Vayobhala Agni, Bhakti Satmya Roga Avastadinam, Nana Prabhavavatvacha. In body, Deha, dosha morbidity, Prakriti constitution, Vaya age, Bala strength, Agni, Bhakti inclination, Satmya suitability, Roga Avastadinam, states of diseases, etc. of the patient. Vichitra Gandha Varna Rasa, Sparshanam, Ubhayoga Sukhartam, Asankheya Samyoganam Abhi, Chasadham, Dravyanam, Vikalpa Marga Upa Darshanartam, Shad Virechana Ubhayoga Shadhani Vyakyasyamaha. So based on smell, Vichitra Gandha, color, Varna, taste, Rasa, touch, Sparsha. For easy administration. Tanitu, Dravyani, Deshakala Gunabhachana, Sampat Virya Bhaladhanat, Kriya Samartha Thamani Bhavanti. These drugs are the most potent when they are exposed to the most suitable of place, Desha, Kala, time, Guna, property, Bhajana, containers. Three types of Desha, region or habitat. Trividaha Khalu, Deshaha, Jangalaha, Anubaha, Sadharanaschedi. A region could be of three types: arid or Jangala, marshy or Anuba, medium or normal or Sadharana. So, three types of Desha are arid or Jangala, marshy or Anuba, medium or normal or Sadharana. Jangala. Tatra Jangalaha, Paryakasha, Bhuishtaha. Of these, the arid zone is primarily sparse. Tarubirabhi cha Khadara, Kadhira, Asana, Ashwakarna, Dhava Tinisha Shallagi, Sala Soma Valka Bhadari, Tinduga, Ashwada, Vada Amaligi, Vanagahanaha. As regards plants, these are dense forest of Kadhara, Khadira, Asana, Ashwakarna, Dhava, Tinisha, Sallagi, Shala, Soma Valka Bhadari, Tinduga, Ashwada, Vada Amalagi. Aneka Ashmi Kakuba Shimshiba Prayaha. Predominance of Shami, Kakuba and Shimshiba. Stira Shushka Pavana Bhala Viduyamana Pranritya Taruna Vidabaha. Young immature plants that are firm, dry and those that, when shaken with severe winds, sway vigorously as if dancing. Pradhada Mriga Trishnikoba Guda, Tanu, Kara, Parusha Sigada, Sharkara, Bahulaha. The land abounds in mirashes, is thin, coarse, rough, and abounds in sand and gravel. Lava, Tittiri, Chakora, Anu, Charita, Bhumi, Bagaha. The region is inhabited by birds such as the common quail, Lava, Tittira, Patrid, Chakora. Vada Pitta Bahulaha, Stira Kadinam, Manushya Prayo Jneyaha. The place abounds in Vada and Pitta and is inhabited mostly by firm and hard people. Anuba. Ada Anubo, Hinda Ladhamala, Narikela, Kadhali Vanagahana. Marshy region have dense forest of Hindala, Tamala, coconut trees, Narikela and banana plants, Kadhali. Sarit Samudra Paryanda Prayaha. These lands adjoin coast of seas and river. Shishira Pavana Bahula, abounding in cold breeze. Vanchula Vanira Uba Shobhita Tira Bihi Sarit Bihi Ubagatha Bhumi Bhagaha. The land is intercepted by the water streams having Vanchula and Vanira plants on banks. Shidhi Dhara Nikuncha Ubashobitaha Mandapavana Anuvijida Shidhi Ruha Gahanaha. Adorned with hills and bowers, abounding in trees attended by mild breeze. Aneka Vana Raji Pushpita Vana Gahana Bhumi Bhagaha. The region is full of rows of flowered plants in abundance, embraced with amorous branches of trees. Snigdha Taru Pradhana Upagudaha, resounding with coos of Hamsa Chakravaga Bhalaga Nandi Muga, Pundariga Kadamba Madku, Bringaraja, Shatapatra, Matta, Kogila, Anu, Nadida, Taru Vidapaha. Of Swan, Chakravaga, Crane, Nandimuga, Pundanaga, Kadamba, Madku, Bringaraja, Saptaparna, and the intoxicatingly sweet coil. Matta Kokila. Sukumara Purishaha Pavana Kaba Prayo Jneyaha. The region is typically inhabited by delicate people and is dominated by Vada and Kaba. So, in Jangala, there will be dense fruits of Kadhara, Ghadira, Asana, Ashwakarna, Dhava, Tinissa, Sallagi, Sala, Somavalka, Bhadari, Tinduga, Ashwatha, Vada, and Amalagi. Predominance of Shami, Kakuba, Shimshiba, birds such as Lava, Titira, Chakora, Vada, Pitta, Bahula, Stira, Kadina, Manushya, Prayo, Jneyaha. In Anupadesha, dense forest of Hindala, Tamala, Narikela and Kathali, birds such as Hamsa, Chakravaka, Bhalaka, Nandimukha, Pundanaga, Kadamba, Madku, Bringaraja, Saptaparna and Matta Kogila, Sukumara Purisha, Pavanakaba Prayo Jneyaha. Sadharana, there is a combined characters. Anayoreva, Dvayor Darshayo, Virut, Vanaspati, Vanaspati, Ashakuni, Mriga, Gana, Yudaha. A region is considered to be of medium or normal kind that has the combined character of the above two in respect of plants, birds and animals. Virut, Vanaspati and Vanaspati. Stira, Sukumara, Balavarna, Samhanana, Upapanna, Sadharana Gunayukta Purishaha, Sadharano Jneya. Is inhabited by people, firm, delicate, endowed with strength, complexion and compactness and other medium qualities. Characteristic of a suitable desha for medicinal plant. Tatra deshe sadharane, jankale va yatha kalam, shishira adhava pavana salila sevide, same shujau, pradakshina udake. Medicinal plants grown in medium or arid soil, sadharana or jankala, nourished timely with coal, sun, air and water, even clean with facilities of water. Shmashana, Chaitya, Devayajanagara, Sabha, Shvabrarama, Valmika, Oshara, Virahide, except cremation ground, sacred place, temple, meeting place, ditch, orchard, anthills and barren land. Kusha Rohisha Tirne, covered with Kusha and Rohisha plant. Snigdha Krishna Madhura Mrittige, Suvarna Varna Madhura Mrittige Va, having Angshat Snigdha, black Krishna, sweet Madhura, or golden sweet soil, Suvarna Varna Madhu Mrittige. Mridava Phala Krishti, soft unpluffed, and Anubahade Anyehi Balavattarehi Drumaihi Aushadhani Chadhani Prashasyante. Unaffected by other stronger plants are recommended for us. Method of collection of medicinal plant. Tatrayani, Kalajadani, Ubhagada, Sampurna Pramana, Rasavirya Gandhani. Of all medicinal plants, those that are grown in time. Kalajadam, grow mature with taste, Rasa, potency, Virya, Gandha, smell. Kala Adaba Agni, Salila Pavana Jantubi, Anubahada Gandha Varna Rasa Sparsha Prabhavani. Have smell, color, taste, touch, and efficacy, unaffected by time, sun, fire, water, air, and organism. Pratyagrani, Uddiyachan, Dishi Sthithani are fresh and situated in northern direction. Udicha direction should be collected. Tesham Shakha Palasham Achira Prarudam Varsha Vasanta Yo Grahyam. Their branches and leaves which have recently grown should be collected between rainy season and spring. Varsha Vasanta Yoho. Grishme Mulani Shishire Va Ashirna Praruda Parnana. The roots should be gathered in the summer, Grishma, or in winter, Shishira, from trees whose ripened leaves have been shed. Sharadi Tvak Kanda Kshirani. In Sharat or autumn, bark, Tvak, tuber, Kanda, latex, Shira. Hemante Sarani, hardwood, Saram. In early winter, Hemantam. Yad Rudu Pushpa Phalamidi, flowers and fruit according to their season. So, in brief, collection of medicinal plant according to Rudu, Shaka Palasham Achira Prarudam in Varsha Vasantayoho. For Mula, Grishma or Shishira, Tvakanda Kshira, Sharat, Sara, Hemanta, flowers and fruit according to their season. Mangalajaraha, Kalyana Vrittaha, Shujihi, Shuklavasaha, Sampujya Devada, Ashwino, Go, Brahmanamscha, Kridhobavasaha, Prangmukha, Udangmuko va Grahniyat. These should be collected by one with auspicious behavior, Mangalajara, benevolent conduct, Kalyana Vritta, cleanliness, Shuji, white dress, Shuklavasa, after worshipping Sampuja, observing fast, and facing toward east or north, Prangmukh or Udamukh. Method of storage. Grihitva cha anurupa gunavat bhajanastani aghareshu prag udak dwareshu. After collecting the plant extracts, they should be kept in suitable container, bhajana, and stored in room facing eastward or northward, aghareshu prag udak dwareshu. Nivada pravadagai Desheshu Nitya Pushpa Ubahara Bali Karma Vatsu. Devoid of wind, Nivadam, but well ventilated, Pravadam, and daily ritualized with offering of flower and other things, Bali Karma. Agni, Salila, Ubasveda, Dhumarajo Mushaka, Chadushpadham, Anabhigamaniyani, Swavachannani, Shikyeshu Avasajya, Stapayet. Holding them in a swing of rope, well covered and making them unapproachable for fire, Agni, Salila, water, Ubasveda, humidity, Dhuma, smoke, Raja, dust, Mushaga, rats, and Chadushpadam, quadrupeds. Administration per dosha predominance. Tani cha yatha dosham prayunchida. These drugs should be administered according to the relevant dosha with an appropriate vehicle or medium. Such as Sura Saviraka, Tushodaga, Maireya Medaka, Dhanyamla Phalamla, Dedi Amladi Bihi Vade. In Vada, we use Sura, wine, Saviraka, Tushodaga, Maireya, Medaka, Dhanyamla, Phalamla, Sorkot, etc. Mridvika Amalaka, Madhumaduka Parushaka, Fanida Kshiradibihi, Pitte. In Pitte, grapes, Mridvika, Amalaka, honey, Madhu, Madhuka, Parushaka, Fanida, Kshira, milk, etc. Sleshmanitu, Madhumutra, Kashayadibihi, Bhavidhani, Alodidhani, Cha. Idi Uddeshaha. In Kabha, impregnated with or dissolved in honey, madhu, urine, mutra, decoction, kashaya, etc. This is in a nutshell. Tam Vistarena Dravyadeha Dosha Satmyadhini Pravivichya Vyakyasyamaha. This will be explained further in detail according to drug, body, morbidity, suitability, etc. So here is the first part. Thank you for watching our video. Please like our channel Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. Also, don't forget to post your doubts in the comment section for more clarification. And all the references are given below the video. Thank you.